Hello everyone, Clever Mom is here again with an Amazon review on a kitchen appliance you all waited for. This is about TotalFry microwave. Well, this is not just a microwave, it can do more. Apart from the microwave job, it acts as an air fryer and a convection oven with Combi Speed Cooking. As you heard, this is a multifunctional appliance. If you are interested in home kitchen appliances and want to know more, subscribe to Clever Mom and press the bell icon to get more updates. This microwave oven gives you faster result with its amazing cooking skills. You can cook more of your favorite dishes using this microwave oven. Next, I will tell you some interesting facts about this microwave oven. It has TotalFry 360 technology. Fry your food with little to no oil and eat healthier all you want. And this microwave fry your chicken, shrimp, wings and french fries crunchier and tastier. Compared to traditional air fryers, it has more surface area for frying and has better air circulation. TotalFry 360 technology uses air fry technology. This is the best oven for faster cooking, faster than Combi and Speed mods. Not only fast but also cook deliciously with the best texture. Unlike the other ovens, this microwave oven can also make frozen entrees. A main drawback of this TotalFry 360 is that its air frying function may not work as well as a standalone air fryer. Additionally, this appliance can be difficult to clean and the interior tends to get dirty easily. These are just few potential drawbacks to consider when deciding if the TotalFry 360 is the right appliance for you. More importantly, this oven can serve your food more evenly without any hot spots. And you can even broil and bake foods like fish, chicken and other fresh food. If you have small space yet love to cook, this microwave is ideal for you. You can look for more product details on Amazon and product price around $249. Was the video helpful? If it's yes, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more content. Thank you. Bye bye.